So you've got to find bowl plus book plus straws. We've decided that the net force, that the frictional force was 0. So where are you going to draw your circle? What is her, if she points right here, what is her frictional force?
I can't see.
I can't see. No, it's right here. If she pointed right there, what would it be?
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5. But what's your frictional force? What did you all decide it was experimentally?
0.
What was it?
0.
0. So where do you put 0 on the graph? Who knows? Have a seat. Have a seat. Okay, come show me where you're going to put the 0 on the graph.
I know.
Perfect. Great. So now I need a new person to draw the curve. You come draw the curve for me. The curve is for, what that means is you're going to connect the dots. You're going to connect from the first experimental condition to the second to the third. Okay, and that's called a trend. Or a line graph. We also call it a curve.
This is a very That's a big triangle. That's a triangle.
Well, sometimes, yeah, it does look like a triangle, but sometimes people will just have it be more of a circle. Not a circle. A curve. It's a curve. Okay? So what do you notice about which one of these have a seat, thank you, have a seat. Which one of these conditions has the largest mass? Which one weighs the most? The bowl, or the bowl in the book, or the bowl, book, and straw? Which weighs the most? Who says the bowl in the book? Okay, who says the bowl, the book, and the straw? I think it's the bowl, the book, and the straw, because the bowl, the book, and the straw have more things, right? Not only do you have the bowl and the book, but you're adding straws to them, right? So that would weigh more. The bowl, the book, and the straws would weigh more than the bowl and the book. But how come, if the bowl and the book and the straw weighs more, your frictional force goes to 0? How come? What did the straws do? Somebody's answered it over here. You answered it. They rose, but what did they do? What did the straws do to the straws?
The straws took all the weight from off the roof.
They took the weight, they absorbed the weight, and so they helped the bowl to accelerate, right? And so that is why your force drops back to 0, okay? And so that is what we talk about, what we call frictional force, okay? So what's the definition of friction again?
The movement.
It's the force that works against motion, okay? It's the force that works against